Welcome back to the show. Back in the shop, beautiful day outside, still COVID-19 thing going on, but we still have to get some work in. So today I want to test fit the bell housing on the Chase X, see if it lines up properly, then we can set up the clutch and all that stuff. It's quite a procedure, so we gotta work ourselves through 2 pages of this, a lot of stuff, but I think for a gearbox like this, you take the work, the extra time it takes just to make sure it all lines up. Unfortunately, this is from the old setup, some bolts. We probably have to use them for now, because the stuff we got with the kit, all of this, doesn't line up shit. So what I tried to do, compare this with our old screw boxes. As you can see, we got one for Subarus, we got one for Nissans, and this is the Toyota box. We also got some unassorted ones. Yeah, but so far I couldn't find any. It's M12 with a thread of 1.25. Unfortunately, I can't go to a store just to pick some up because they're all closed due to COVID-19. So yeah, that's it for now. I guess we gotta run with the old ones. Something I don't really like to do, put some old screws on new parts. But yeah, COVID-19 catched up to us too. So yeah, I'll try to find some more in there. So we got a complete set. But yeah, won't be running it anytime soon because we still have to fab up transmission mount, and we also have to get a drive shaft made up for the kit. So we'll see. There's no hurry on the bolts, but you know, I always like it, have it something finished up, and unfortunately we can't do it, but yeah, we just do what we can. In here you can see I already bolted up the bell housing. Still have to torque it down a little bit so it's all lined up. Then we're gonna see how it measures up. Yeah, so let's do this. So we have all the goodies ready, but besides taking all the measurements, we are missing some of these bolts for the hydraulic release bearing. So we need 4 of those. We're also missing these, as said, to connect this to the engine, because I don't want to use used ones. So this is this, and we're also missing the lines connecting the hydraulic release bearing to the clutch system. So basically this over here, because all this still has to go. That's nonsense. Yeah, so right now it's kind of hard to source all those things because everything is closed. I have to talk to some guys. Maybe we have to order some from the US. We'll see. So I guess for now we're gonna get on to some other stuff. Maybe get on to the brakes, switch these out, and there's still lots to do. So let's see what we do. So here it's a bit of a mess right now, but we already set up the corner weight system, so we can take all the measurements needed on the cars. You see the M3 is on it already. Let's see where we at. So it says total of 1189 kilos, that is. Cross 48.14%, which isn't too bad. So we got 49. What's that on the left? 46 in the rear. It's not too bad. So we're getting there. So we'll do a corner weight day soon. If you need your car set up, let us know. Still needs some work, but the boys are on it. It's new stickers, all of that. Yeah, so we'll get there. So we get on the brakes. So that's an easy thing, basically. All we need to do is unscrew this one, release the line over here where we have the custom hard line reaching in, and then this is off and we can pull the brake disc off. So we're going to do this on both sides. Should be easy thing, straightforward. Just make sure if you do it, you have something to catch all the brake fluid, because that's nasty stuff. So we got the brakes off in the front, both sides. So here just to catch up the brake fluid. So just to give you a short info on what you need to do this job is you need some pliers. We got these special ones, not sure what they called in English. A 10-inch, and then a lot of tools just to undo the bolts in the back. Every time we pull this one out, it's a heavy job, and this time I even needed this one plus the handle from the jack as an extension to get them off. But it's all good now, they're off. Here you can see what we had on there, stock 2 pots, and here you can see what we're going to throw on them, the Supra 4 pots. Also same thing in the LS400 Lexus. We have these from the drag car we broke, so should be a good fit. I hope we can get the brake balance a little bit better, the pedal feel. It's not where I like it to have, where I like to have it at this point. We got the chase base, brake booster delete. So yeah, it's not ideal at this point with braking. It brakes, but you have to put a lot of effort in it, and it's kind of odd for me. I'm not sure how pedal box supposedly work. But yeah, we'll try this because that's what we got and see if it works. So let's take some measurements on the brake setup. I think we're actually gonna gain some weight on it, but just out of curiosity, let's see where we're at with it. So we got the scale here. Let's first see what we had on there. So this stock brake disc comes in at 8.411 kilo. Stock caliper with pads and the first line. We end up a total at 16.125 kilo per corner in the front. So let's see what the new setup will be like. So first we got the disc. I'm sure there's lighter ones. So this is 8.971 kilo, and the caliper is, together with the caliper, it's 16.624. So it's almost the same. The brake disc is slightly heavier. Just for fun, let's put on stock caliper. We got 7.713. and the super caliper, which is 7.655. So yeah, we're running in slightly heavier with the new setup, but it's gonna be much more braking power, so should be good. So another day finished up. Got some progress on the Chase ZX. On this one, we got some stuff ready for clients, which I didn't show you because it's basically boring stuff. Some clutch stuff, some other parts. This one's in here. We'll have to go through it. PS13, mine. Have to go over it, see what's loose. Just a basic nut and bolt check. Maybe change some fluids. Yeah, so that's about it for those two. Over here, as shown you, we got the corner weight system set up. I said it's a bit of a mess right now with all the event stuff laying around. The BMW M3 is on it. I said it has around 15 liters of fuel in it, and it tops out at 1,189 kilo as it is right now. The boys told me it's a minus of about 60 to 70 kilo to last year, so we'll see how they do on track. New suspension is in it. Oh, sorry guys, the sun is right in your face. Now it's in mine, but now at least you can see some stuff. So that's it for today. Some others will have to do some more stuff, fit up the brakes, finish that stuff on the Chase ZX. I just put on the disc to see, have to clean them up a bit around here so all the rust is off. We might have to give those Johnnies a coat of paint, so that's that. And we have to get some screws and lines for the gearbox setup, because all of that stuff wasn't in there. Have to see if some of our friends in the US have that stuff in stock, so we can mount it all up and get that stuff going. So that's it for now. I hope you guys are safe. You guys stay at home. You can still work on your cars. If you need parts, you know where to who to hit up. Let us know. We got a lot of stuff in stock. We got a lot of parts in stock. We can order it. All that side of the shop still runs smooth. You can also bring in your car for some work. Get your alignment done. Get your corner weight stuff done, ready for the season. Get an engine replaced. Get something rebuilt. Whatever. Hit us up. We're ready. Drop us a mail. Call us up. Whatever works for you. We're here. So as said, stay safe. Stay at home, work on your cars, get some stuff done, which you pushed aside for a long time. And I hope to see you soon, read you soon. As always, subscribe. We're getting into the right direction, but we really want to crack that 1 million subscribers soon. Just fucking with you. Long way to go, and it's not where we want to end up. But any subscribe, any like, any comment is greatly welcome and appreciated. As always, we hope you like the content, you can get something out of it for your projects, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.